Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Aksar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on trigonometric ratios, definition of trigonometric ratios. So question number 1. Here one figure is given. In this figure we are given length of AD 4 cm. This is 4 cm. BD is 3 cm and CB is 12 cm, and find cot theta. You have to find the trigonometric ratio cot theta for this angle C. Done? So what is the definition of cot theta? We know cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, and tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So this one is opposite side and this one is adjacent side. So cot theta is BC by AB, but here the length of AB is not given, and therefore first we have to find the length of this AB. So to find this AB, we can say that this AB is nothing but the hypotenuse for this right angle triangle ADB. Done? So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle ABD, and this hypotenuse is nothing but the opposite side for this angle theta. So now in triangle ABD, angle D is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of its two sides making right angle. So this hypotenuse is AB. So square of hypotenuse AB square is equal to sum of square of two sides AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. Now AD 4 square is there, plus BD 3 square. So this is equal to AB square. Therefore our AB square equal to 4 square 16, 3 square 9. Therefore AB square equal to 16 plus 9 25. So AB square equal to 25 is the square of which number? 5 square. So taking square root on both sides, we are getting AB equal to 5, है ना. कुछ बच्चे बोलेंगे सर प्लस और माइनस नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि ये लेंथ है, लेंथ ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूस, and length is always positive. So we consider AB equal to 5. Units are centimeter. You have to write centimeter. So this AB is nothing but the length of 5 centimeter. Done? So now question is find cot theta. So now we'll use the definition of cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, है ना, क्योंकि हमें tan थीटा की डेफिनेशन पता है. tan थीटा इज ऑपोजिट साइड बाय एडजेसेंट साइड. सो रेसिप्रोकल इज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन ऑपोजिट साइड. सो cot थीटा इज BC अपॉन AB. So value of cot theta equal to BC, that is CB, 12 upon AB 5. So this is your answer. Clear students? Instead of cot theta you may ask sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, है ना. कोई भी 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो में से कोई भी एक रेशियो आपको यहाँ पर दे दे, वो आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो. Now question number 2. Here we are given that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2. Find the value of tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. What you have to find? You have to find the value of tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. Find the value of tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. So this is somewhat like x plus 1 by x equal to 2 is given. You have to find the x square plus 1 by x square. तो आपके दिमाग में डायरेक्ट वो स्ट्राइक होनी चाहिए आइडेंटिटी, है ना. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते थे, स्टैंडर्ड 9. सो हियर वी आर गिवन tan थीटा प्लस 1 upon tan theta equal to 2. This is given. Now taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides. So by taking square on both sides, it will be tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole square. This one is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole square equal to 4. Done. Now this is a plus b whole square form. Perform expansion. So it's a first term square plus 2 into first into second term. 2 into first term is tan theta and second term is 1 upon tan theta. 2 into first into second term plus second term square. It's a 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4. So this tan theta and tan theta will be cut, numerator upon denominator, and this 2 will go into the right hand side. So our remaining left hand side is tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. So it's a tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2 is the answer. Done. Very simple question is there. और उससे भी simple question number 3. Question number 3, we are given that sin theta is x. What we are given? Sin theta is x. Sec theta, value of sec theta is y. Then you have to find the value of cot theta, है ना. तो देखो cot theta find करना है. So what is our cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but the ratio of cos theta and sin theta. Sin theta is given but cos theta is not there. So instead of cos theta, sec theta is given. So we know that cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta, 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is 1 upon y. So this is 1 upon y. So put this value of sin theta and cos theta here. Cos theta is 1 upon y, sin theta is x, and therefore our answer cot theta is 1 upon xy. 1 upon xy is the answer. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. This is given right angle at B. So this one is triangle ABC, which is right angle at B. So this one is A, B, C. Right angle ABC, right angle at B. If AB equal to 12, length of AB side is 12 centimeter and BC side is 5 centimeter, you have to find the value of sin A, tan A, sin C, sec C, or sorry, cot C. So you have to find the trigonometric ratios for these both acute angles. And we can find all 6 trigonometric ratios for these both acute angles. Out of that 6 plus 6, 12 trigonometric ratios. You have to find these 4 trigonometric ratios. You can find all 12 trigonometric ratios. Clear? So to find the trigonometric ratio, we require length of all 3 sides. Here length of one side is missing, and then that side is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, and that can be found by using Pythagoras theorem. So now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we can say that square of hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. sum of square of the sides making right angle. So here our AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 12 square plus BC is 5 square. So AC square equal to 12 square 144, 5 square 25. Therefore AC square equal to 169. 169 is the square of 13. So here you can compare AC square equal to 13 square, and therefore again we can write AC equal to 13 centimeter, not plus or minus, because AC is the length of hypotenuse. So length of this hypotenuse is 13. So now you can find all 6 trigonometric ratios for this acute angle A, है ना? So sin A. So what is the definition of sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. For this angle, opposite side is this BC and hypotenuse is AC. So it's a BC upon AC. Opposite side by hypotenuse. BC is 5 and AC is 13. So sin A is 5 by 13. Then you have to find tan A. Definition of tan A: opposite side by adjacent side. So this is opposite side, this one is adjacent side. So it's a BC upon AB. BC upon AB. So it's a 5 by 12. Done. 2 trigonometric ratios for this angle A. You can also find sin फाइंड कर दिया, cos tan हो गया, देन रेसिप्रोकल्स cos x sec एंड cot फॉर दिस एंगल A, है ना. अगर यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में ऐड कर दे तो आप इजीली डेफिनेशन का यूज़ करके फाइंड कर सकते हो. डन. नाउ फॉर दिस एंगल C, similarly we can find all 6 trigonometric ratios. Out of that 6 trigonometric ratios we have to find sin C and cot C. So now sin C. So now our theta is this angle C. So for this C, this side will become opposite side and this side will become adjacent side and this will be hypotenuse. So definition of sin C: opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this angle, this one is opposite side AB and hypotenuse is AC. So it's AB by AC. So sin C equal to AB 12 and AC is 13. And cot C. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So what is tan? It's opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent. Reciprocal is adjacent by opposite. So it's a BC by AB. BC by AB, and therefore our cot C is BC 5, AB 12, 5 by 12. This is the definition of cot C. Done. So for this angle C, we have derived sin C and cot C. You can also find the remaining trigonometric ratios, that is cos C, tan C, cosec C and sec C. Done. So now question number 5. So here we are given 3 tan theta equal to 4. What we are given? We are given that 3 tan theta equal to 4, है ना. ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. 3 tan theta equal to 4, which implies our tan theta is taking this 3 into denominator. So tan theta is 4 by 3. Done. So tan theta is given. You have to find the value of this expression. Which one? This 5 sin theta. So it's a 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. तो हमने बहुत सारे सम्स किए कि जो एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो दिया है उसका यूज़ करके हम रिमेनिंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे और उसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे। और आप इसको डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। कैसे? सो हियर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड taking common, or you can say divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, है ना, क्योंकि हमें पता है sin थीटा बाई cos थीटा tan थीटा होगा। और क्यों tan थीटा? कि tan थीटा इज गिवन। तो यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को cos थीटा से डिवाइड करेंगे। सो क्या होगा देखो, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो सेपरेटली लिखेंगे तो ये होगा 5 sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा, सो इट्स अ tan थीटा माइनस 3 cos थीटा बाई cos थीटा, सो कैंसल, सो इट्स अ 3। हियर दिस वन इज 5 sin थीटा बाई cos थीटा, सो इट्स अ tan थीटा प्लस 2 cos थीटा बाई cos थीटा कट। सो अभी हमारा tan थीटा आ गया। So value of tan theta is given, which is 4/3. Put that value over here. So it's a 5 into 4/3 minus 3 upon 5 into 4/3 plus 2. Simplify this. This one is 5 3s are 5 4s are 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 divided by 3 upon 20 plus 6 divided by 3. This 3 cut, 20 minus 9 11, 20 plus 6 26 is the answer. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. And now question number 6. Here one trigonometric ratio cot A is given and you have to find the remaining trigonometric ratios, or you have to find the value of expression by using the different trigonometric ratios. These type of sums are there. So here cot A is given. So we know that trigonometric ratios are defined only for acute angle and it is for right angle triangle. So let us now consider one right angle triangle ABC. You have to consider right angle triangle ABC, but you have to take care that our point A, or you can say our angle A is not a right angle. So two options are there. Either you can take A over here or it here, but you can't take measure of angle A 90 degree because trigonometric ratio is defined for angle A, and for 90 degree we are not defining our trigonometric ratios. So suppose this is A, B and C. So this is our triangle ABC. For this triangle ABC, value of cot A is given. Value of cot A is given 12 upon 5. So for this triangle you have to find a different value. This is our theta, we can say. For this angle we are defining trigonometric ratio. So this is angle A and cot A is given. We can find remaining all 6 trigonometric ratios, out of which you have to find the sin A, cos and cosec A and find the value of this expression. So what you have to do? So first, whenever the trigonometric ratio is given, you have to assume the value of that ratio equal to K. Done? And we have to use the definition of cot A. So what is cot A? है ना, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलो, दिस इज गिवन नाउ cot A. So first you have to write the definition of cot A. Definition of cot A is reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. So cot A is adjacent upon opposite side. So it's AB upon BC, and value of this cot A is given, which is 12 upon 5, and you have to take that ratio equal to K. That is our assumption. Let done. जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो दिया है उसकी डेफिनेशन यूज करनी है एंड इक्वल टू के एज्यूम करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, we have to interchange the position of this numerator and denominator. Therefore it will be equal to AB 12 denominator में आएगा equal to BC goes into numerator upon 5 equal to K, and from this we will get the value of two sides in terms of K. AB equal to है ना, और we can compare these two ratios है ना, एक और स्टेप लिखते हैं. सो AB by 12 equal to K and BC by 5 equal to K. Value of this ratio equal to K. So AB by 12 equal to K and value of this ratio BC upon 5 is also K. So from this AB upon 12 equal to K, so we can write AB equal to 12K. AB equal to 12K, and from here we can write BC equal to 5K. BC equal to 5K. So from using this trigonometric ratio quad A, we find the values of AB and BC. AB is 12K. AB is 12K and BC is 5K. So two sides are there. We have to find the value of this remaining side, and for that we are using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, and therefore it's AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore AC square equal to AB square. AB is 12K square plus BC is 5K square. So 12 square 144K square plus 5 25K square. Therefore our AC square is 169K square. So 169K square is nothing but the 13K whole square. So we are getting the value of AC. So length of third side AC is 13K. So hypotenuse is 13K. This one is 13K. Done. 3 mark sum. This is your first step, this is your second step. Now third step, we require sin A plus cos A into cosec A. So 3 trigonometric ratios are required. So first is sin A. So now जगह कम पड़ गई है. So first we are finding sin A. So sin A is definition of sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. अगर आपको रेशियो की डेफिनेशन नहीं आती है तो फिर कुछ नहीं होगा. सो साइन ए इज ऑपोजिट साइड बाय हाइपोटेनियस, और उसमें कुछ शॉर्टकट नहीं है, आपको डायरेक्ट डेफिनेशन याद रखनी है ना. साइन इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट साइड बाय हाइपोटेनियस, कॉस इक्वल टू एडजेसेंट साइड बाय हाइपोटेनियस, एंड टेन इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट साइड बाय एडजेसेंट साइड. डन. क्योंकि साइंस में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर वो सब आप शॉर्टकट अप्लाई करेंगे और वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, वो इतना टाइम नहीं होता है. तो बेटर यही है कि आप अभी से ही डेफिनेशन को लर्न करो और डेफिनेशन को ही याद रखो, है ना. वो सब पाकिस्तान होता है, वो कुछ नहीं करना है. साइन ए इक्वल टू BC बाई AC. सो BC बाई AC 5K बाई 13K. सो 5K बाई 13K. सो साइन ए इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 5 बाई 13. Then we require cos A. So definition of cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. So AB equal to 12K. AC equal to 13K. So again this K cut. So value of cos A is 12 by 13. और कौन सी चाहिए? कोसेक इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन. सो कोसेक ए यहीं पर लिखते हैं. सो कोसेक ए इज 1 अपॉन साइन ए. कोसेक ए इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन ए. सो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन इज 13 by 5. So these are the values of remaining required trigonometric ratios. But question is find the value of this expression. So expression लिखेंगे, value find करेंगे, ये place use करेंगे, है ना. Question number 7 थोड़ा wait करो. So now question is find the value of sin A plus cos A into cosec A. So this one is sin A plus cos A. Sin A 5 by 13. It's a 5 by 13 plus cos A. Cos A is 12 by 13. 12 by 13 into cosec A. Cosec A is 13 by 5. 13 by 5. So this one is 5 plus 12. 17 upon 13, and this one is 13 upon 5. So this 13 cut. So our answer is 17 by 5. Done. So this is 3 mark question. Pause the video and note it down. ओके चलो हो गया नोट डाउन. ये मैं अभी रफ कर देता हूँ. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो हियर in figure triangle ABC is right angle at B. So right angle triangle ABC is given. BC equal to 7 centimeter, length of this side is 7 centimeter, and AC minus AB is 1. So difference of these two sides is given. What we are given? AC minus AB equal to 1. So here we can assume, let this AC is X. So let length of hypotenuse is X. So अगर AC X हो गया तो हमारा AB क्या होगा? So it's X minus AB equal to 1, है ना. ये AC को X assume कर लिया, length of this side is X. So AB will be सामने जाएगा और 1 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर आएगा. So AB will be positive and it will be X minus 1. So length of this side is X minus 1. This one is X minus 1. So this is one right angle triangle. Find the value of X. Then you will get the value of these 3 sides of the triangle. Then find the value of sin A and cos A, and then add them. So let's start with right angle triangle ABC. So now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is X square. AB is X minus 1 square, and BC is 7 square, 49. Simplify this. So it's X square equal to expansion X minus 1 whole square. It's X square minus 2X plus 1 plus 49. So this X square cut, minus 2X will convert it into plus 2X. 49 plus 1, so it's 50. So we're getting X equal to 50. What is X? X is AC. So length of side AC is 50 centimeter. And AB, what is our AB? AB is X minus 1, 50 minus 1, so it's 49 centimeter. So we're getting the length of all 3 sides. Done. AB is 49. Now this AB is 49 and this AC is 50. So all 3 sides are there. So we can find the value of any trigonometric ratio. So here you have to find trigonometric ratio cos A and sin A, that is for this A. For this acute angle A, we have to find the trigonometric ratios sin A and cos A, and we have to perform the addition of sin A and cos A. So first we will find the sin A, or you can directly write sin A plus cos A. So now sin A, what is the definition of sin A? It's opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this angle A, opposite side is BC. So it's a BC by AC. BC by AC plus cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. AB by AC. Put the values. BC is 7. 7 upon 50 plus AB 49 by 50. So our answer is 56 by 50. Simplify करो तो 28 upon 25 is the answer. Clear students? Number 8. Here AM is perpendicular to BC. Triangle ABC is there and AM is perpendicular to BC. So AM is the altitude of this triangle ABC, and AM is the altitude. Tan B is given. So trigonometric ratio for this angle B and tan C, trigonometric ratio for this angle C is given. And BC, length of BC is 56 centimeter. So total length of this base 56 centimeter is given. You have to find the length of AM. Base is given. Find the value of this height of the triangle. Done. AM is perpendicular to BC. So AM is 90 degree. So here tan B is given. So we can use triangle. So in triangle AMB, right angle triangle, we can define trigonometric ratio. So tan B, definition of tan B is opposite side by adjacent side. So it's AM upon BM, and value of tan B is given. So what is the value of tan B? It's a 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So here AM upon BM equal to 3 by 4 is there. So from this we can write our BM, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 AM equal to BM. This is the length of BM. क्यों BM फाइंड किया? क्योंकि यहाँ से BM फाइंड करेंगे, यहाँ से CM फाइंड करेंगे, दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे. Say this one is a result number 1. This is the length of BM. Now consider triangle AAMC. So in triangle AAMC, tan C is given. So definition of tan C. Definition of tan C. It's the opposite side by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent side by opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is AM, adjacent side is CM. So it's AM upon CM. AM upon CM equal to 5 by 12. Here we require CM. So our CM is 12 upon 5 AM. Say this one as a result number 2. So BM is there and CM is there. What is BC? We can say that our BC is sum of BM and CM. BM plus CM. Total length of BC is given 56, and BM that we have derived from the tan B, length of BM is 4 by 3 AM. So this one is 4 by 3 AM plus CM. We have derived CM from tan C, which is 12 by 5 AM. 12 by 5 AM. So now here we can take AM common. So it's a 56 equal to 4 by 3 plus 12 by 5 into AM. Now simplify this bracket. So 56 equal to 3 and 5, 15. LCM is 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 4s are 20. plus 5 3s are 15, 12 3s are 36 am. So this is equal to 56 equal to addition of numerator 20 plus 36, it's a 56 upon 15 into am. 56 cut, 15 will multiply with this one, so our answer is am equal to 15 centimeter. Done. So this is how you can solve your question number 8. Pause the video and note it down.